Hello viewers. Today I will show you how to set up the Shopify data layer without any apps using Google Tag Manager. Shopify data layer for tracking is important when it comes to implementing analytics and marketing tools on your Shopify store. The data layer is a JavaScript object that contains information about user interactions and other important data on a web page so you can easily set up the conversions tracking. So here you can see on the screen that I already created the Google Tag Manager account. You just have to create your own account using your email address. And you can see here I already have the Shopify data layer code here. I would just implement on the Shopify using those code. So in the Shopify dashboard, from the theme option, you have to go to the edit code. And then from the snippet, add a new snippet, and you have to put the same name as like this. So after creating this snippet, you can see here the all page data layer code. Just open that one and you have to copy the whole code from here. Just copy and paste here. So here I already pasted this code, just then save. And again you have to go to the theme.liquid. Here at first you have to place the Google Tag Manager code of your own. From here that I would copy this one. And you have to place this code before ending head tag. So here I put the Google Tag Manager code, and another code I have to add here, which is, here is another call code. So this call code you should copy and paste below of this one. So then again save. So then you have to go to again to the checkout option. From the checkout option, you will see the additional script. So here you can see here the another purchase data layer code here. So open this one and again copy and paste here. You have to remember one thing, that you have to change the Google Tag Manager code here. You can see here is the Google Tag Manager code. So here again I already added the Tag Manager code here. So now I have to check it from the Google Tag Manager side. So from the Google Tag Manager, let's check how it's working. So let's preview. So here now you can see that Google Tag Manager connected with the website. And now if I go to any product page, You can see here the view item events, add to cart events fired here. And if I go to the data layer option, you can see here that I can see here the data layer as a GA4 schema. Here you can see the e-commerce items, ID, all things here. So this is the short process how you can set up your Shopify data layer. And if you want to fix or set up any conversion tracking, you can directly reach out to me. You will get the contact details in the description box. If this video really helps you, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.